we will install Daisy UI in our project. You can see that it is already the most popular component library for Tailwind CSS. If you want to see their components, click here, and here you will find a lot of components. So let's first install this. So here inside the docs, go to install menu, and you can see a command. So and we have to run this in the command palette. So paste this and run it. So after this is installed, we have to add this plugin in our Tailwind config file. So just copy this required Daisy UI and go to your Tailwind config file, and here in the plugins, currently we don't have any plugins, so let's add this. And is there anything? I don't think anything is needed, so we can now test this. To test this, we can use this contact button. Let's add a class btn primary, and let's save this and run the project. So npm run dev, and the project is ready. Go to the browser. So we have that contact button in another page. So here you can see the styling for primary button. There's a concept here, themes. So we can add themes. So to add themes, we have to add this few lines in the Tailwind config file first. So let's add this here after the plugins. So basically here we are exporting three themes, light, dark and cupcake, but there is a lot of themes they offer. Here is the full list of themes that they offer. You can preview them here, either selecting here or select from here. Now in this demo we will try cupcake, so we will remove the other two themes. So we are exporting this theme. Now we need to specify that we will use this theme. So to specify that, we have to use this data theme property in the HTML tag, which is in our layout file. So let's go to our layout file, and in the HTML tag let's paste this and save this. Go to our project, and you can see our theme has been changed. So in this way we can change our themes. You can choose the theme you want. Now what I will do, I will add a table in the home page, that is a list of user. Here you can see it's actually rendering a list item. So here you can see the unordered list containing some list item. So we will replace this with table. So first let's select this and press Ctrl D to enable multi-cursor editing, and let's put table, and then under table we can use t-head, and inside t-head we will have two t's, so t is times 2. Press tab, and the first table header will contain the name of the user, the second will contain email, and after t-head we will use t-body, and inside t-body we will have a table row. Well, under t-head we can't have directly table header. We have first we have to add tr for table row, and inside tr we will export this to DAs. So this is quite nice. So let's format this, Shift Alt F, and then so let's cut this and paste it here. For each user we will have a table row, so let's press Ctrl D twice to select this list item and then edit this to tr, press escape, and then each table row what we will have, let's break into new line and then td, so td times 2 to td, and the first td will have user.name and the second td we will have user.email, and you can see that there's no property added here for the user interface. So this is the benefit of using TypeScript. If there's something wrong, we can identify that error at the compile time. So remember this JSON placeholder API for users, it returns users which has this email property, so we will have this email field. So let's save this and go to our project, and here you can see an unstyled table here. Now we will add some classes to make it look better. So let's go to their documentation and let's search for table. Here we can see utility classes for table. We will use these two classes for this demo, so table and table zebra. So let's copy this and add this in this table. So class name, so first you have to add this table class and then table zebra, and let's save this and go to our project. Here is our table, it's looking very nice. And that was the overview of Daisy UI, and that's it for this lesson.